Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You want to there at the top? Well, you ready for serve? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, now the best time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 20 from verse 20 to verse 28. Then Zebedee boy pitney them mother come to Jesus with her boy them. She kneel down a ground and ask him for do sitting for her. So him say to her, say, "Where you want?" She answer back, "I want you to allow me two boy them to sit down in your kingdom. One at your right hand side and the next one at your left hand side." So Jesus said to her, say, "You don't know where you ask me, say. Only can drink when me bout for drink. I suffer, me I go suffer, you know." The boy them say, "Yeah, we can do that." So Jesus said to them, say, "When we suffer, yeah? When we drink me cup, but for sit down on my right hand side and my left hand side, I know me work out that one day. Cause them position they don't put up already for the one them where my father say forget them. No, when the other 10 follower them hear this, them did vex with the two brother them. But Jesus called them and say, "Uno know say the ruler them, we are not Jew. For them ruler them love control them. And love show say a them have power. And all them head ruler, them love boss up the people them too. And I saw it for go amongst uno. Instead of that, if nobody want have top position amongst uno, them have to serve uno. And nobody with them amongst uno and want big up up front, them have to turn uno servant. I saw it for go. Just like how the man where God pick, then come here for nobody serve him. I come here for serve people and for give up him life so people can get free from them sin. A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box.